Hello, Andy Baldessari, Director of Marketing and Training with BG Products, here to invite you to visit us at AAPEX 2024 in sunny Las Vegas, November 4th through the 6th. Join us at booth A5041, where we will showcase the industry's leading preventive maintenance products, equipment, training, and support technologies to ensure your success. Best-in-class equipment like the BG MVP, BFX, and the all-new CFX will be on display. Experience our award-winning training like BG Certified and our all-new BG Experience augmented reality app released for the MetaQuest 3 headset. Check out the newly updated BG Tech app designed to empower your technicians with the information they need to succeed when performing BG services. Get up close and personal with Bob Tasca's incredible NHRA funny car and meet our BG Proving Ground experts as they demonstrate our top-of-the-line equipment at Joe's Garage in Service Bay 7. Connect, learn, and discover how BG products can help drive your success in the coming year. We'll see you there.